Nature-inspired tree branch table lamps crafted from driftwood embody the raw elegance of the outdoors brought indoors, serving as both practical lighting and evocative pieces of natural art that mirror the serene, timeless qualities of the wilderness. Driftwood, shaped by water, sun, and time, carries a distinct character, smooth contours, rugged textures, and muted tones that naturally align with earthy design principles. Using driftwood in a table lamp rooted in nature-inspired aesthetics starts with honoring the material itself, allowing the organic twists, forks, and knots of the wood to guide the design rather than imposing rigid structure. A driftwood tree branch lamp does not merely illuminate, it tells a story of resilience, cycles of water and wind, and the quiet majesty of the natural world. To build one, collectors seek branches that suggest natural tree forms, upright limbs, overhanging curves, and graceful bifurcations that resemble miniature forest canopies. These raw forms can be lightly cleaned to preserve their weathered texture, and optionally treated with natural oils like tung or linseed to enhance the grain while maintaining a rustic, untouched feel. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Cookie Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today we will show you the collection of nature-inspired tree branch table lamps crafted from driftwood. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here, let's make something beautiful together with Cookie Decor. In Indigenous traditions, branches and wood hold ceremonial significance, and light is a sacred element, bringing clarity, energy, and focus. A lamp designed with these influences might incorporate symbolic carvings, traditional motifs, or natural dyes derived from plants and minerals. Such lamps not only light up a room, but honor lineage, land, and spirituality. Similarly, in folklore and mythology, trees are portals between worlds, symbols of life and growth, and housing for spirits and dreams. A driftwood lamp shaped like a small tree, or lit softly from within, becomes more than a design object. It becomes an emblem, a guardian, a gentle invitation to reconnect with ancient wisdom. The design process often begins with envisioning how the branch might exist in nature, standing like a sapling, arching like a willow, or twisted like a desert shrub, and then positioning the branch in a way that maintains that natural orientation. Bases for these lamps are often selected with intention: a piece of reclaimed wood slab, a slice of stone, a ceramic dish, or a moss-lined platform that serves as a continuation of the woodland theme. Some designers add pebbles, bark fragments, or preserved moss at the base to simulate a forest floor, anchoring the lamp both physically and thematically in the idea of nature. Wiring a lamp like this requires thoughtful integration. Many artisans opt to drill through the branch to conceal the cord, preserving the unbroken silhouette of the wood, or cleverly hide it by wrapping it with jute twine, or threading it along a crevice to keep the piece as seamless as possible. The bulb socket can be mounted at the tip of a vertical branch to emulate new growth reaching for the sun, or it can hang downward like a drooping vine or lantern flower using a forked limb as a support. Shades, if used, are carefully chosen to complement the nature theme: hand-woven rattan, bamboo, unbleached linen, paper made from natural fibers, or even handmade pressed leaf shades that diffuse the light through natural elements. Some designs dispense with a shade altogether to showcase an Edison bulb, evoking fireflies or candlelight within a thicket. In more elaborate versions, small LED string lights are woven through the branches to simulate the glimmer of stars through trees or bioluminescence in a night forest. A popular variation involves integrating driftwood pieces that still bear the subtle remnants of bark or are interspersed with vines, seaweed fibers, or feathers, giving the piece a wild, untouched aesthetic. Others incorporate elements like crystals, small stones, or pine cones nestled in the crooks of the wood, combining elements of earth, water, and light to bring harmony to the piece. Color is usually subtle and natural. Many designers avoid paint entirely, allowing the pale silvers, grays, browns, and soft blacks of aged driftwood to speak for themselves. However, light washes with mineral-based pigments can be applied to accentuate certain features, like giving the wood a sun-bleached or moonlit appearance, or to match specific decor palettes, especially in Scandinavian or coastal themes. The lighting effect created by these lamps is typically warm and calming. Nature-inspired lamps aren't meant to overwhelm a room with harsh light, but instead provide a soft, ambient glow, ideal for meditation corners, reading nooks, bedroom nightstands, or anywhere tranquility is sought. Some lamps are designed to mimic trees directly, with a main trunk and smaller offshoot branches, creating an arboreal miniature that evokes the presence of a forest in miniature. In other cases, abstract interpretations allow the driftwood to suggest the movement of wind, water, or growth without literal tree forms, emphasizing fluidity, asymmetry, and harmony with imperfection, much in the spirit of wabi-sabi philosophy. Nature-inspired lamps can also be customized to reflect specific ecosystems or biomes. For example, a coastal forest version might pair driftwood with soft blue or green glass, beach stones, and airy linen shades, while a desert-inspired piece might feature sun-bleached wood with golden light, terracotta bases, and shadow-casting silhouettes. Rainforest-themed lamps may incorporate lush moss accents, rich browns, and natural shade materials like banana leaves or coconut fibers. In colder climates, a Nordic-inspired lamp could feature frosted glass, snow-like texturing with white lime wash on the wood, or minimalist stands that allow the organic branch to become a meditative visual focal point in a stark environment. For those drawn to Japanese or Zen aesthetics, lamps with shoji-style paper shades, low horizontal driftwood limbs, and stone bases convey simplicity and harmony. What makes these lamps truly resonate is their ability to evoke emotional and sensory memories. A branch found on a lakeshore at sunset, a piece of wood shaped by a river in spring flood, or a storm-tossed remnant from a windswept beach. These memories are embedded in the lamp's physicality and extend into the space they occupy, creating an atmosphere of groundedness and connection to the wild. Some crafters lean into this narrative aspect by including a small note or story with each lamp, detailing where the driftwood came from, how it was found, and what inspired the final form. Others allow the design to speak for itself, trusting that each knot, curve, and texture will convey its own silent poetry. In modern homes increasingly dominated by plastics, electronics, and synthetic materials, nature-inspired driftwood lamps offer a tactile, visual, and spiritual respite, inviting users to slow down, reflect, and appreciate natural processes. These lamps also align perfectly with principles of sustainability and mindful living. By repurposing naturally fallen or water-worn wood, creators avoid deforestation and minimize the use of energy-intensive materials. Many makers go a step further by using eco-friendly finishes, LED bulbs, and locally sourced complementary materials. The resulting lamp is not just beautiful, it's ethically conscious, low impact, and often completely unique. In homes seeking to practice biophilic design, an approach that integrates nature into interiors to enhance well-being, driftwood lamps function as both design statement and tool of wellness. They help establish a visual and energetic link to the outdoors, reduce stress, and improve emotional comfort. Whether placed in a meditation space, an artist's studio, a yoga room, or a child's woodland-themed nursery, the lamp serves as both an anchor and a gentle presence. Artisans and hobbyists can also engage with the creation process in deeply satisfying ways. Crafting a driftwood lamp is not just an act of building, but of co-creating with nature. It invites one to spend time outdoors, to develop an eye for form and texture, to engage with materials patiently and reverently. It can be as meditative as it is productive. Many craftspeople describe the process as a dialogue with the wood, asking what the branch wants to become, how it wants to stand, and where light would most naturally emerge. In an age of mass production, the time and care embedded in handmade driftwood lamps stand out. They are the opposite of disposable culture, instead representing permanence, care, and intention. Incorporating driftwood into lighting can also become a way to explore cultural and ancestral roots. In more contemporary interpretations, designers have begun merging driftwood with technology in subtle ways, integrating dimmable touch sensors, wireless charging pads in the base, or smart bulbs that can shift hue with the time of day, all while keeping the natural aesthetics intact. This marriage of rustic and modern is especially appealing in nature-tech hybrid homes, where people seek the comfort of the natural world without sacrificing modern convenience. Whether primitive or polished, each lamp remains grounded in its source material, wood shaped not by saws or machines, but by wind and waves. Ultimately, nature-inspired driftwood tree branch lamps offer more than illumination. They offer atmosphere, philosophy, and a piece of the outdoors. They are poetic reflections of time and transformation, rooted in simplicity, but capable of deep emotional resonance. Whether wild and untamed, or gently refined, these lamps represent a yearning for authenticity, a celebration of the organic, and a conscious choice to live in greater harmony with the earth. In every twist of branch and warm flicker of light, they remind us that beauty can be found not in perfection, but in the graceful, weathered marks of time and nature. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kooky Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kooky Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.